Welcome to another video. We are close to the Bithnah Fort. I have installed my GoPro. Let me show you on the car. You see? That's the one. I hope it doesn't fall off. So we are close to Bithnah Fort. I hope I'm pronouncing its name correctly. So we're gonna film the way we're gonna go to that fort. So it's easy for you guys to go straight to that place easily. So let's go. Well, this fort is far away from Fujairah City, at least 13 kilometers. The roads are perfectly clear, good, till Bithnah village. On my last visit, I was kind of a little bit lost in the village, so I had to roam around the whole village. But anyway, I finally found the way. After the village, the roads are a little bit rough, but don't worry, any vehicle, any car can reach to the fort. Welcome to Bithnah Fort. So now we're gonna go inside and take a closer look. Of course, the towers and two towers to that side, and this fort play an important role in Fujairah establishment, Fujairah Emirates. It's that much important. Second famous one. So now we are getting inside the fort. You see, its height is low. It was made for the safety purpose because it plays an important role. Look at these steel doors. So if people comes in, so they cannot, hit it with the force or something. As we get in, of course, the upper ceiling made of dead stem, mud, rock. That's how it looks at the entry point. There was the door we came in, so now we're gonna go up. This road was very important because it's built on the very place. If I would show you from up above, it was built to control the route. All the traffic, all the business trade were passing through this fort. So that's why two towers facing that side. So we came up from here, and okay, and now we're gonna go get a closer look. So now we can see clearly Wadi Ham, or Ham Valley. Look at that. It's a huge settlement at that time. Now goes all the way straight. Tower 1 and Tower 2. This tower is locked, so let's go. The up tower. Let me show you from there. Now we're gonna go up stairs. Okay, let's go up. We had to first put the camera there, one camera. Shooting, my brother is helping me. That's how we get this shot. Now, if you take a look, this is Wadi Ham. This was very important place, a lot of dates, food, area. And also this fort, if we take a look from here, this is village Bithnah, sorry. And if you guys see here, this rugged area, this was important route. Every single stuff from all around passing through this area. So who controlling this area controls everything. And many wars happened here to control this area, and it helped to establish the Fujairah state of UAE. It's that much important. Play roles in the history of Fujairah and Emirates. So if you guys can see these two towers facing towards this area. This was the very main route. Everything goes by this area. So this way goes all straight this way. So this way was so important. So this was the video of this fort. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and we're gonna be on my way back to home. See you in the very next video. Bye for now.